This video is going to cover how to restore the databases that you made a backup off of locally on the VersaCall computer itself. So, on the VT3000 core software, we want to be in Control Center underneath Administration. So, select that here. Go to Administration Control Center. And basically, we want to do databases. And essentially, click on a database. You're going to hit this Restore button. It's going to say, it's going to list all of the ones that you have. Like this is one that I made today. So I'm going to select for this one. This is one I made on 6/28. You select this, you hit restore. It's going to say, are you sure that you want to? Because you're going to lose all the information that's currently there. Hit OK. Now it tells you that that restore was successful. And then you can move on down the line to your next one. Make sure you're selecting the same one. Hit your restore. Select OK. That'll go through its process. Now it's restored success. That'll conclude this video on how to do the restore of a database you made locally on the VersaCall server. Look forward to talking to you again.